Something that's overlooked a lot of the time is database maintenance. This video is about how to set up database maintenance in the Ultraport HL7 SQL Schema engine. We're going to do it in less than 10 minutes. It's very easy to set up. So let's get started. First thing, if you're making changes like this, make sure that your MS Windows services are stopped. Here's my schema engine. I go to my service status. They are running, so I'm going to stop them. Now they're stopped. Done. Need to verify that Enable Automated Ultraport Database Maintenance is checked in your global settings. Let's go to the global settings, and it is checked. Okay, if it's not, just check it. Done. Now let's edit the SQL schema profile and configure DB maintenance. For this, I go to my schemas. Now I'm using Microsoft SQL, or if you were using MySQL, you'd click on MySQL schemas. We're going to be working with this one. I've got this profile set up. The database name is HL7 ADT. Now let's take a look over. You take a look at the prefix is AAA. So here's my database. My main table for my SQL schema is AAA underscore HL7 data. Here is a select out of here, and you can see these messages that have come in. They are ADT messages. There are two that have not been processed. I've got it sorted by last loaded descending. All the rest have been processed. Today is April 16th when I'm filming this. The messages are from March the 12th. I've got two from today, from April 16th. What I want to do is set up my schema engine so that database maintenance will purge all of the messages that are in the database, have been loaded in the database for more than 30 days, and have been marked as processed. What I do here is we set this processed column to a non-zero value when we pick the message up and load it through the interface. This is whatever your process is. So let's do that. What you do is you edit your schema, click on the DB Maintenance tab, and enable it. Now we don't do this by default because database maintenance is particular to each customer. So these are things that you would want to set up yourself. So I say I want to delete messages that have been loaded in the database for, I said 30 days, and only delete messages which have been marked as processed. This means the processed column is not 0, which is what it is set to when it is initially loaded into the database. So now I'm going to save changes. And if I restart my service, the service is started. Let's go over to SQL Server. It should take it a few seconds to get going. And let's execute this. And they're gone. Now these messages have not only been purged from here, they've been purged all the way down through all the segment tables, etc., etc., etc. And as these messages age, they will purge off as well. Now, where did they go? When messages are purged, they're put into the prefix AAA underscore schema maintenance table. And they will stay here for 30 days until this purge date is 30 days old. So when maintenance runs a cycle, the first thing it does is say delete from the schema maintenance table where the purge date is greater than 30 days. So that gets rid of all of those, but they will stay there. This is important. If you take a look, this table is a shadow just about of the HL7 data table, meaning that it has the entire HL7 message in the HL7 message column. So you can recover your HL7 messages even after they've been purged. We've done that. We've done that. And we've done step 5. And that's it. We've set up database maintenance in the Ultraport SQL Schema engine. See, it runs in its own service. And we've done all of that in less than 10 minutes. Subscribe to our channel and you'll get updates of videos as we post them. And that's it for today.